earthquake warning system, which is also known as EEW alarm. Despite of many developments in the field of science and technology, nature has forced science community to only predict or assume some natural activities. Earthquake is one of the most dangerous and foremost activity which we only can predict sometimes before. I have today made an early earthquake warning alarm which will predict the earthquake and blow an alarm to alert people to save their lives. This model is used by many countries like Japan, Taiwan, Mexico and South Korea. Many countries haven't developed this science because the price of implementation is simply too high. Whenever earthquake happens, Earth generates some waves which is also known as unstable waves. Unstable waves are of three types. They are shear waves, longitudinal waves and surface wave. Shear waves and longitudinal waves are called as P wave and the surface wave is known as S wave. P wave has more speed than S wave. It comes faster than the S wave, but the damaging force of P wave is lesser than the S wave. The S wave is the most damaging wave which follows the P wave. So this model actually predicts the P wave and then it blows an alarm to alert people, to at least alert them to take some safety measures to save themselves from the upcoming S wave. It works something like this. This model have one transmission part and one receiving part. The transmission part have some measurement elements which is created by the analog devices and the receiving part when the trembling actually goes more than the measurement, then it will send a message to the receiving part and then the receiving part will blow up an alarm. It will something happen like this. This model can be also fitted in high storage buildings, streets and it is also can be used in regular houses. Just because the price of implementation is little bit high, that's why many countries cannot afford it. But now many countries are also working to make it a little low price so that people can afford it. In India, in Uttarakhand, government is also working on it to give and to promote this, and thank you.